Oh, y'all know how to make smoked garlic parmesan wings? We can make that. Y'all see that right there? Ooh, wee. Oh my goodness, it was so good. I gotta show you how to make it. First, we're gonna get some clean wings. I clean these wings with some lime and some vinegar, right? Then I'm just gonna cut these wings up, get them to how I want them, and then we're gonna pat them dry, place them on a rack, on a mixing board, whatever you got. Just make sure each wing is patted dry, because you do want that seasoning to stick. So, I mean, you can add a binder as well, like some olive oil or some mustard, either or. But now that our wings is patted dry, I'm just gonna season. I don't need no binder. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic. That's the mix right there. And also gonna hit it with some wood fire roasted garlic. Hit it with some onion, some smoked paprika. Hit it with your adobo. Whatever you wanna hit it with, you do that. But for the main seasonings, I usually just use salt, pepper, smoked paprika, onion, garlic. Then after that, you add whatever you want. We're going to use a little binder there, just at the end, just a little bit, though, just a little bit. I know I said I wasn't going to use none, but you know what I'm saying, massage everything in real good. Make sure you take your time. Make sure you get all the creases and crevices all under the skin. Get it right. Now we want to get the smoker smoking at 275. I got it smoking already. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just place my wings on one by one. And I'm going to make sure that my wings got a little bit of space for that airflow. And these things is going to come out perfect, juicy, crispy, all that. Y'all see that right there. All right, now after 30, 45 minutes, this is how they looking. And we're going to flip them over. Them things already looking nice and brown like me. Ooh, wee, I see that right there. I just flip everything one by one. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get the front just like you got the back. You know what I mean? I got a question for y'all, though. Do y'all smoke y'all wings? And if y'all smoke y'all wings, what temperature do y'all smoke it on? Leave it in the comments. And what kind of smoker do you got if you got a smoker? You know what I'm saying? Leave it in the comments below. But y'all see these right here. These things is damn near done. Almost done. It's been on for about a little bit over an hour and some change. I don't like to overcook the wings, so about an hour and a half, that's really all it need. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to get it crispier, you can just throw your smoker on like 400. But this is how I like it right here. Perfect. Nice to toss in some sauce right here. And that's how you got your perfect wings. Look, use that Kinder's garlic parmesan. And I showed y'all how to make garlic parmesan. If y'all want me to show y'all again, let me know in the comments. And I'll do a whole video on how to make garlic parm. Oh, I just dropped a wing. Y'all know I'm tight. Somebody was looking at my food. So I'm looking at my food and get in the kitchen and go make this. Look at that right there. Ooh, wee. Now you know how to make smoked garlic parmesan wings. Don't tell me I ain't told you so. I'm going to see y'all in the next recipe. Maybe tomorrow. All right, I'm out.